Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ChargePoint account settings before changing vehicles step by step clearly. Open the ChargePoint app on your smartphone. Log into your ChargePoint account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually found in the upper corner of the home screen. Tap on the settings icon to access your account settings. Look for the option labeled Manage Vehicles or similar wording. Select Manage Vehicles to view your current vehicle settings. Take note of any saved charging preferences, such as charging locations and schedules. Note down any payment methods linked to your account. If there's an option to export or backup your settings, select it. Follow the prompts to save your settings to a secure location on your device. If not, manually document your settings by taking screenshots or writing them down. Ensure you have all necessary information handy before changing your vehicle. Once you've documented everything, you are ready to proceed with changing your vehicle in the app. Return to the Settings menu. Choose the option to add or change your vehicle. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your new vehicle's information. After adding the vehicle, review the settings to confirm everything has transferred correctly. Enjoy your seamless transition to your new vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.